What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another drinks video. Really, this not really a cocktail. So what I'll be making is a Guinness and blue WKD mixed in together. So I'll layer on the blue WKD with Guinness laid on top, and I will give you my opinion on it. And I will give you my opinion on it. Is it any good? So we'll fill the glass. So we'll fill the Guinness glass half full with a blue WKD. I don't know what to think of this drink. It's an unusual combination, Guinness and blue WKD. So we'll slowly layer it on by doing a slow pour over this big spoon. Still think this is too frothy. Bloody wind. It's like a talent trying to layer on in wind. There we go. Oh, wind. I just love wind. There we go, that'll do. Cheers. Now for the most important thing. How does it taste, lads? Oh, that's unusual. Oh, that's weird, mate. Certainly tasted it. Because it's a really, really weird taste.
Are you keen?
It's something I drink once. It's not something I'd keep doing like that. I drink once. For me, it's probably about a 3 out of 10. I'm not really keen. It's like a blueberry or a raspberry Guinness taste. That's what it tastes like. Not keen because I don't think you should mix them because it's not really a nice combination. But it's up to you. That's my personal opinion. I'm not keen on it. Or it's a 3 out of 10. I wouldn't recommend this. This Guinness tastes like shit. Because it looks nice, because it's very nice to look at, don't get me wrong, with the Guinness laid on top and the blue WKD at the bottom. But the taste is just weird. Guinness and blue WKD. Strange taste. And I'm annoyed that I've kind of wasted a Guinness can on it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of it. Would you drink this? Guinness and blue WKD. Because I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MIXED for more videos like this. If you want to see any more combinations of Guinness, anything I've not tried, as I've done Black and Tan before. Guinness and lager. I've done quite a few. Because I just thought I'd try that. I've seen it about and I thought, okay, that looks interesting. But that is the Guinness Blue and WKD, and I will see you guys for the next drinks video. Cheers.